My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. Hey friends, today I'm gonna share with you a delicious recipe for a veganese, plant-based mayo, or sauce, whatever you want to call it, but I promise it's going to be And if this is your first time on my channel, I'm Oksana. I'm a registered nurse, a natural wellness coach, and I teach people how to eat their way out of any disease. These are the ingredients you're gonna need: mustard, white beans, black pepper, kale namak, some avocado oil, and lemon. First, we need to drain the beans. Let me drain it first. We're not gonna need the water. You may choose to rinse it or not, up to you. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Let's add these to a blender. Next, about a tablespoon of mustard. You may add a little more to taste. Let's start with one. Avocado oil, so it's about 100 ml. Fresh pepper to taste. You can always add more. A juice of half a lemon. And literally like quarter teaspoon of kale namak. Time to blend. Let's check the consistency. Here, come a little closer. Yeah, so it's a little too thick. What you want to do, just add some more oil. I think I like the consistency now. Oh yes, definitely. Let's give it a taste. Oh, like souffle-like, very soft, fluffy. Transfer it to a glass jar and keep it refrigerated. It'll stay fresh up to a week, I'd say. If you want a thinner consistency, more like a gravy, you can add a little water to water it down, but then in that case, you have to use it the same day. Where would you use this delicious mayo? Anywhere you'd use a regular mayo. So good.